We're going to do our slip stitches again. So underneath this double crochet, we're going to slip stitch. Remember to give yourself some give so the hat can stretch around your head. And a second one into the next, around the next. Turn your work, and again, yarn over, back loop half double crochets, 9 of them all the way down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the 10th is just a regular half double. You go through the whole stitch. Yep. See that V right there? That's the whole stitch. You just go through the whole thing, pull up a loop, yarn over, and we are done with that row. And yarn over, chain 1, turn your work, and just keep going. Yarn over, pull up a loop, so there's 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Do that 10 times. 2, 3 back loop double crochet, half double crochets, 4 back loop half double crochets, 5 back loop half double crochets, 6 back loop half double crochets, 7 back loop half double crochets, 8 back loop half double crochets, and 9 and 10. Remember to bypass that front part of the stitch right there. Go behind it. You can see that in the back right there. You go behind it and pick that up. Hopefully you can see that. Bypass that, and we're gonna go underneath this stitch right here. Pull up 3 loops, yarn over, pull all the way through. We're done with that row. Now we're gonna do our slip stitches again. So into the next, well, around the next, so underneath here, through the other side, and slip stitch, but leave yourself some give so it can stretch. And the next one, second slip stitch, turn our work, and I love the way it looks on the inside. It looks very machine made to me. It looks awesome the way when it's all done. So now we're going to do the 9 with the 10th being just a regular half double. So 9 back loop half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, regular half double through the whole stitch. And we're done with that row. And chain one, and just keep repeating over and over again. So now you're going to put those two pieces together, those two ends, and we're just going to single crochet up. Ten times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's probably going to work out to be 11 of them actually, because of that. Alright, so one, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we are all done with that. You can cut yourself a nice long tail. Just pull it through. And we're just going to weave in our ends. Okay, so now we're going to weave in the ends. So flip it inside out. Get your tapestry needle. And I just weave in like this. Just bring it to the inside. And I just weave like this. There's the bun beanie. Covers your ears, keeps you nice and warm. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Remember to like and subscribe so you can be notified of any new content that we post, because there's going to be a whole lot more. And remember to share with your friends so they can learn too. Have a great day, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.